Hey, welcome to Glam Squad. In today's video, we're looking at beautiful haircut for female, natural female haircuts, natural women haircuts. That's what we're going to be looking at today. So, if this is your first time on this channel, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss out on my next upload. So these haircuts are actually done by creative stylists, so you're going to be seeing some of their handles on the images. So please reach out to them and if they are close to you. You can have them do it for you. You understand? So that is that. So like I said, on this channel we upload beautiful hairstyle, trending hairstyle that are actually trending at the moment. 2023 trending hairstyle, that is what we upload on this channel. So if you like fresh content like this ones, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and also the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next upload.